Hi, I'm Sam Thurgood and welcome to my 2 Minutes Parsha. In this week's Sidra of Balak is one of the blessings that Bilam is forced to give the Jewish people. He says, Ka'et Yamer li Yaakov, ma pa'al el. The time will come when the people of the world will say to Yaakov, to the Jewish people, what is God doing? And Rashi explains that there will be Jews with a special insight into what Hashem is involved in, into what Hashem is doing more than anyone else in the world, and in fact even more than the angels themselves. And let me ask you, what is the difference between a great person and a regular or a small person? The Ishbitzer Rebbe Rabbi Mordechai Yosef Leiner explains it based on this verse. And he says that even though our sages teach us that in the future Hashem will teach Torah to everyone, every single person will have the privilege and opportunity to study Torah with the greatest teacher in the world, the Almighty Himself. However, the tzaddikim will be nehenin miziv hashechinah. They will take benefit from the shining of Hashem's presence. And what that means, says the Ishbitzer, is that they will understand the context. They will understand the bigger picture. In my experience, the difference between the great people and the less great people is that the great people are those who have the ability to take what they see in front of them and fit it into the broader context. Sometimes we just know a little and we're trying to focus too much on the things that are small things and too little on the things that are big things, and we take one thing and we take it out of context and out of isolation. The great people are those who see the entire thing, who understand how, so to speak, from Hashem's perspective, it fits in. Every person will have the privilege of studying Torah from Hashem, but there is a sense of wisdom and perspective that is to be gained only by seeing the bigger picture. And that is the blessing that Bilam says to the righteous in this week's Parsha. Those who are so engaged in Torah and mitzvot and understanding that they are able to see how what they are learning fits into that bigger picture. Shabbat Shalom.